There are many theories about how the universe operates in the manner it does. Physicists, biologists, and all kinds of inquisitive people seem to have their own take on how it truly does operate, but one theory in particular seems to tie all of these theories together. This theory is the law of attraction. If you are interested in the law of attraction, you are likely curious about how the law of attraction really works. The law of attraction works in a very straightforward manner. Like attracts like. Everything is vibrating energy. This theory is currently known as string theory in the field of physics. The energy that everything is made from vibrates at specific frequencies too. The precise frequency an object or a person is vibrating at depicts the type of objects and individuals it will attract. The way you feel is the frequency you are personally vibrating at. Since the way you feel is your point of attraction, however you feel right now will likely be amplified in the future. By controlling the way you feel, or by caring about the way you feel, you can essentially control your destiny. You can also make great things happen to you rather easily just by letting yourself consistently feel good. Once you start to consistently feel good, all kinds of experiences that will make you feel good will flow into your life experience. As long as you understand this very basic information about how the law of attraction really works, you will be able to create any type of life you want to live. This is also why very wise people often tell others to follow their bliss as well. When you are thinking about an experience or subject you find to be absolutely blissful, you feel very good. When you feel very good, you are attracting everything in the universe you find to be good unto you. The law of attraction works due to the nature of consciousness. Whenever you are giving your attention to anything, you are getting what you are giving your attention to. If you give more of your attention to anything, you are going to get more of what you are giving your attention to. It can also be stated that the universe is a vibrational universe. Everything is vibrating at a specific vibrational frequency, and things that are vibrating at a similar vibrational frequency are drawn together. This is often known as like attracts like. If you would like to actually make this knowledge applicable to your life, you should learn how to control the way you feel, because the way you feel is your point of attraction. The way you feel is the vibrational frequency you are always emitting. If you feel good, you are attracting vibrational frequencies or experiences that will make you feel good. You can take control of the way you feel in a variety of different ways. There are also a few key points that you should be aware of to make your journey towards feeling better easier to manage. You have already been applying the law of attraction or the law of consciousness your entire life. As you have given your attention to things throughout your life, a corresponding feeling was generated within you, and you begin attracting experiences that matched the way you felt at any given moment in the past. Now that you are consciously aware of this process though, you can control the type of experiences you attract into your life. By directing your attention towards subjects that make you feel good, you can easily attract experiences that will make you feel good. It is also important that you recognize the fact that whatever you are thinking, feeling, and experiencing at any given moment is a perfect match. Now think about that for a second, because it is a very important concept. When you give your attention to a subject, you are experiencing that subject, you are thinking about that subject, and you are feeling a corresponding feeling as you give your attention to that subject. By simply changing what you give your attention to, you can change the way you feel, what you think, and what you experience. In order to harness the power of the law of attraction, you need to take control over the way you feel. You will likely find this process getting easier over time because you are attracting all types of experiences right now due to your unfocused attention to a variety of subjects in the past. Once you start directing your attention, though, you will have absolute control over the way you feel and you will be able to create any type of life you want to live. When you give your attention to anything, even what you want, you generate a corresponding feeling within yourself. This feeling that is generated within you is what you want to keep your attention on as you attempt to create the life of your dreams. Whenever you are feeling good and you are thinking about what you want, you are attracting what you want into your life. Once you stabilize the feeling of having what you want right now within yourself, what you want will have to become your experience, because what you think, what you feel, and what you experience is always a perfect match, and the universe will make sure that your experience matches what you have been thinking about and the way you have been feeling, because the law of attraction is a law of the universe. Now that you know the way you feel is your point of attraction, you can start to create the life of your dreams. When you feel great, you are moving towards what you want, and if you ever feel any differently than great, you are taking a temporary detour away from what you want. In order to create what you want, imagine what it would be like to have it now. Do whatever you can to find the feeling of having what you want right now. Read books, read articles, look at pictures, watch movies, use your imagination. Once you know exactly what it feels like to have what you want, keep your focus on that feeling and any thoughts that make you feel like you have what you want right now. If you do this, you will see your life transform before your eyes, and you will see more of what you want coming into your life. If you continue to focus on the feeling of having what you want right now, and you focus on thoughts that trigger the feeling of having what you want right now, you will definitely experience what you want to experience.